Happy Monday, Rock Hill. Pastor Kyle here with your Monday sermon recap. Yesterday we looked at Ephesians chapter 6, verses 1 to 4, as we applied it to both children in the home, how they're to relate to their parents, and then parents, how they're to relate to their children. So it reads, "Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother. This is the first commandment with a promise, that it may go well with you in the land, and that you may live long. Fathers, do not provoke your children to anger, but bring them up in the discipline and the instruction of the Lord." And so what children are called to do is obey and honor their parents, and as they do that, it goes well for them. Often because their parents see their life and know them better than they know themselves. And then to parents, or fathers in particular, do not unnecessarily provoke our children to anger. Do not be overly rigid and structured when we understand the role that God has given us to shape and form these young lives, but rather bring them up in the instruction and the discipline of the Lord. And so when it comes to parenting, there's kind of two effective things we need to do. We need to set the expectations. We need to teach them not only what we expect of them, but what the Lord expects of them, and then we need to discipline them. We need to enforce those expectations when those things happen. Now, the way that we do that changes depending on what age our kid is, changes depending on how they respond to certain types of discipline and certain types of instruction. It's unique to them. And so, as parents, we need to be good students of our kids so that we are not overbearing or controlling, so that our authority in their life is a delight and a joy rather than a burden. So I preached on these short verses, a really long sermon. If you're looking for some practical advice on parenting, I would just invite you to go back and take a look at that. Take a listen to it.